In today's video, I'm going to teach you what is a Trailblazer, how to join this global community of innovators. A Trailblazer is someone who learns continuously, shares generously, and lifts others while building real-world skills on Trailhead and within the Trailblazer community. If you're looking for a clear, supportive path to grow your career and expand your network, this guide will walk you through exactly how to begin. Start by signing up for Trailhead. It's free and designed for every experience level. Create your account, verify your email, and complete your profile so others can understand your interests and strengths. Add a short bio, select your role or the role you're aiming for, and set your language and notification preferences. This simple setup helps the platform surface the right content and makes it easier for peers and mentors to connect with you. Next, dive into learning on Trailhead to build both technical and business skills. Choose a learning path that aligns with your goals: administration, development, analytics, marketing, or cross-functional business topics. Modules are bite-sized, and projects guide you through hands-on tasks in safe practice environments called playgrounds. Badges and points aren't just for fun, they document your progress and signal your capabilities to teams and recruiters. Block consistent study time, keep notes on key concepts and commands, and bookmark a few trails you plan to finish this month to stay focused. Then, connect with like minded people through Trailblazer community groups. Search by role, product, location, or interest, and join a few communities that match your goals. Introduce yourself with a short message that shares what you're learning and how you hope to contribute. Review the community guidelines, adjust your email settings to a manageable level, and watch for threads where you can offer a helpful link, a tip, or a quick solution. After that, participate in local, regional, or virtual community meetings to share expertise. RSVP, arrive on time, and come prepared with one question and one takeaway to discuss. You'll pick up best practices, discover new resources, and meet peers and mentors. If you're attending virtually, keep your camera on when possible and use chat to connect with speakers and attendees. Jot down action items and follow up with people you met to keep the momentum going. Finally, give back by volunteering, answering questions in the forums, or mentoring when you're ready. Start small, explain a fix you used, write a short how-to, or host informal office hours. Teaching others deepens your mastery, builds your reputation, and strengthens the entire community. That's the path to becoming a Trailblazer. Learn, connect, and contribute. Create your Trailhead account, complete your first module, and say hello in a community group today. I'll see you in the next video.